Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I am dealing with spectroscopy for chemistry. This is lecture number 29. In this lecture I will explain you solvent selection, and if there is enough time then I can explain you solvent effect also. So the UV visible spectra of organic compound is recorded either in gaseous state or in dilute solution of the solid or liquid. Normally, organic compounds of lower boiling point or in gaseous states are available in gaseous state easily, and therefore we can record their UV visible spectra in gaseous state. But if organic compound is solid or liquid, then it's easy to prepare solution, and we can have a transparent solution of a given compound, and we can take UV visible spectra of such compound. If compound is solid or liquid, then solvent is required. For the preparation of solution, the proper selection of solvent is one of the important factor, very important factor. Many organic solvents are sensitive to UV visible radiations and show N to pi star or pi to pi star transitions. Such solvents may interfere in UV visible spectra of a compound. Why? Because whether the peaks are available because of solvent or solute, that we cannot identify easily, and therefore it gives a different results or fault results. So this gives rise fault results. Therefore, those solvents or those organic compounds rather which are transparent to UV visible radiations above 200 nanometer can be selected as solvent. So mostly we select those solvents which are transparent or do not give N to pi star or pi to pi star transitions or cannot absorb radiations of 200 nanometer or above. Okay. As for example, normal hexane, cyclohexane, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, etc. These are particularly non-polar solvents. Even polar solvents like water and ethanol, which are polar solvents, are transparent above 200 nanometer. So they can be used as solvents, provided they should not interact or they should not react with solute particles. So this is the condition. Benzene and acetone benzene and acetones are solvents but show pi to pi star or N to pi star transitions and absorb UV radiations above 200 nanometer, so they cannot be used as solvent. Okay. Now we will see solvent effect. That how solvent can affect the UV radiation spectra. Normally saturated non-polar solvents cannot affect UV visible spectra of organic compound. Polar solvents like water, ethanol may affect UV visible spectra if they interact with organic compound. So when they interact with organic compound, then in this condition either shifting of lambda maxima or epsilon maxima takes place. If UV visible spectra of one compound is recorded in gaseous state or in non-polar solvent, then there is no change in its lambda maxima value. For example, the graph will be like this. This may be in gaseous state and this might be in non-polar solvent, normal hexane. And you can see in both the cases, lambda maxima remains the same. So there is not much difference in lambda maxima if non-polar solvent or in gaseous state if we use UV visible spectra. So that's it in this lecture. Thank you so much. I will explain you solvent effect in carbonyl compounds in next lecture. Thank you so much.